So let's start it. I have set up the visual code workspace, and let's create a folder inside it using this command. Right click on it and create a new folder here, and now move on to this folder. Sorry, I have write the command here. Okay, now let's move to this folder. I click on open an integrated terminal, so it will going to open the terminal here. Inside that, we are now inside that folder. Now let's run the command npm init.y. I am writing yarn init.y instead of npm init.y because I have installed yarn. Yarn is also a package manager just like npm, so you can use that also. You can download it also. So I have yarn installed, so that's why my all commands will be using yarn. So let's run it. Okay, so it's created a package.json file here. Now let's move on. That's the file. Here it is. Okay, now copy this code and paste it here. As suggested. It's taking so much time. Okay. Now install Hardhat. Yarn add Hardhat. For npm, the command is npm install Hardhat. So it's downloading all the packages packages excuse me, and install it. Here you can see that node underscore modules folder is here now. Okay, so it's completed successfully. Now let's create a sample project in Hardhat. Here it is. Press enter. Create a JavaScript project. It's already selected. Now let's enter again the current path. We have selected the current path as our project root, and then yes, we want to add get ignored file. Here it is. It's successfully completed. Okay. Press enter to accept all default settings and install sample project dependency. Hardhat, FL, Hardhat, which I don't say Hardhat. In case something goes wrong, dependency installation, try to reinstall running this command. So let's run this command as it's suggested by Hardhat after we have installed the sample application, sample project. Here it says that you need to install this dependency to run the sample project. So we do require these dependencies. Now let's install them. Okay, so these dependencies are installed successfully. Now your directory, your project directory should look like something this. So let's see. Yes, we have contract folder, we have hardhat.config.js file, then we have test script package.jsn. Yes, you can see this structure here. So these important folders and files are contracts folder where your smart contract lives. In this project we'll only create one to organize our buy me coffee logic. Scripts folder where your hardhat JavaScript live. We will write deploy logic, example buy dash coffee script, and withdraw script to cache out our tips. There it is, scripts folder, and there is contract folder. We already have default contract in it, and we already have default deploy.js file in it. Here it is. Okay. Now use any code editor to open the project folder. I like to use VS Code. Yes, we already have opened it on VS Code.